Hello, this video explains how to work through the NumberCoach books. The books are great for anyone who benefits from repeated practice and explanation. Students will boost their math skills as well as gaining confidence and a sense of achievement. All our books work in the same way, with students needing to get 3 consecutive check marks for each question. You'll find a written explanation at the start of each book. We suggest working through the book 4 to 5 times a week for about 10 to 15 minutes each time. The aim is to work through the whole book. You always start at the beginning of the book and don't skip any pages. Sit next to the student, bearing in mind whether you are right or left-handed, so your hand doesn't cover the questions. Or, of course, the students can mark the book if you feel that's okay. Each book has a script, which can be read by yourself or the student. Read it out loud. Date each page when you start. And also at the top of each column. When you mark the questions, use a check mark if it's correct and a dot if it's wrong. Accept the first answer that's given. This will encourage students to think before answering. However, you should encourage self-correction, so use your discretion when wrong answers are self-corrected. There is a space provided to show work, although we are encouraging the student to work out the calculations without using pen and paper. The aim is to work towards developing mental maths calculations. If a lot of coaching was given to reach the correct answer, mark it as a dot for that day. And it's always good to ask, how did you work that out? Continue working through the questions, and then move on to the next page after you've completed one column on the page. Only do one session each day, lasting 10 to 15 minutes. The next time you use the book, start at the first question that hasn't got 3 consecutive check marks. Take the top of the column and again continue through the pages until your time is up. Repeat this each time you visit the book. When you have reached 3 consecutive check marks for a question, that question is now complete. There is no need to ask this again. Continue to return to questions that still need completing until 3 consecutive check marks have been achieved. If you reach the end of the grid and there is still a question which hasn't got 3 consecutive check marks, write that question in the next recap grid. Keep asking that question until there are 3 consecutive check marks. A page is finished when all the questions on that page have been completed with 3 consecutive check marks. You can then write the date at the bottom of the page. An elastic band is great to mark the completed pages and shows the progress that's been made. Continue until you've completed all the pages in the book.